Welcome to English Podcast.
From Speak English with Ease.
Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Speak English with Ease. I'm Ava.
And I'm Noah. We're really happy you're here with us today.
Let me start with a story.
A story many of you will relate to.
Years ago, someone told me this. I understand English very well, but when I try to speak, my mind goes blank.
They understood movies, videos, even podcasts.
But speaking?
Very difficult.
So the question is, why does this happen? Why can we understand English, but not speak it?
Here is the most important secret. If you want to speak English fluently, you need unconscious knowledge.
Let me repeat that.
Unconscious knowledge.
Unconscious knowledge means you can do something without thinking about it.
For example, riding a bicycle.
Playing a musical instrument.
Or speaking your mother tongue.
When you ride a bike, do you think about your legs?
No, they move automatically.
When you speak your native language, do you think about grammar?
No, words just come out.
But here's something interesting. Even though you don't think about grammar,
your sentences are still correct.
Why?
Because grammar is handled by your unconscious brain.
Now let's talk about English learning.
Most learners study grammar. A lot.
Tenses, rules, structures.
This creates conscious knowledge.
Conscious knowledge means you must think to use it.
And thinking while speaking is a problem.
Because in real conversation,
you don't have time.
When grammar lovers speak, they think about meaning
and grammar
at the same time.
That's too much.
The brain gets overloaded. Fluent speakers are different.
The conscious brain focuses on ideas. The unconscious brain handles grammar.
That's why speech feels smooth.
So how should we learn English?
The same way we learned our first language.
Through unconscious learning.
No, it does not mean learning while sleeping.
It means learning without noticing that you're learning.
The first method is listening.
Not grammar lessons.
Real English.
Conversations, stories, videos.
Even if your goal is speaking,
listening is still necessary.
Because English is complex.
Listening trains your brain to handle that complexity.
Listen to what you enjoy.
Travel, business, movies.
If you enjoy it,
you'll stay motivated.
As much as you can.
Even 10 to 20 minutes a day helps.
You can listen while walking,
cleaning, or commuting.
Now let's talk about speaking.
You must speak to improve.
But talking to yourself alone has problems.
You don't learn new words, and mistakes stay.
The solution is input-driven speaking.
That means speaking with input.
You use native English material
and practice speaking from it.
This exposes you to correct grammar, natural vocabulary, real pronunciation.
The best method here is imitation.
Simple steps.
Step 1. Choose a slow, clear speaker.
Step 2. Listen first. Don't speak yet.
Step 3. Repeat small parts out loud.
Copy words, rhythm, emotion.
Later, repeat full sentences.
If you forget exact words, that's okay. Say the meaning in your own words.
This builds unconscious knowledge.
Speaking becomes natural.
Less thinking, more flow.
Remember, you don't need perfection.
You need consistency.
Listen a lot.
Speak a little every day.
Thank you for listening to Speak English with Ease.
Your English is growing, even when you don't notice it.
See See you next time.